In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to enhance your Fortnite skills and prepare for the ultimate gaming experience. Whether you're gearing up for a tournament or just looking to step up your game, we've got you covered with a systematic approach. So, let's dive in and begin this exciting journey. To start, you'll want to open ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in. If you haven't set up an account yet, it's a simple process. And once you're in, you're ready to take full advantage of this powerful tool. Once logged in, you'll see a menu on the left. Click on New Chat to start a fresh conversation. This is where the real fun begins as you set the stage for building a comprehensive Fortnite training plan. Now, you can ask ChatGPT to craft a practice plan specifically tailored to a 7-day Fortnite training schedule. You might want to include elements such as aim drills, building edits, and warm-up matches to ensure you're tournament ready. Feel free to get creative with your request to suit your specific needs and areas for improvement. ChatGPT can help curate a challenging yet achievable plan that aligns with your goals. Next, it's vital to get strategic tips to gain an edge over your opponents. For instance, you can ask for the best storm rotation strategies tailored for zero-build tournaments. This could include when and where to rotate on the map, which areas are best to avoid, and some handy tips to stay safe during the tense mid-game moments. These strategic insights can be pivotal in giving you the upper hand. Another crucial aspect is mindset coaching. High-pressure matches demand focus and confidence. You can ask ChatGPT for tips to boost your mental game. These might include pre-game routines designed to keep you calm and sharp, ensuring you're mentally prepared to tackle any challenge that comes your way in the heat of competition. After you've played a few matches, it's time for some post-game analysis. Describe any tricky moments you encountered to ChatGPT. For example, if you frequently found yourself getting caught in late storm circles, ChatGPT can provide guidance on how to improve your positioning for future matches. This reflective practice helps you learn from each game and continuously improve. Finally, don't forget to save all the valuable tips and strategies you uncover. You can copy these insightful notes into a document. Keeping these notes handy allows you to revisit them for a quick refresh before your tournament, ensuring you're as prepared as possible. By following these steps, you're not only leveraging technology to boost your gameplay, but also equipping yourself with tactical knowledge and mental fortitude. Enjoy the process, stay committed, and watch your Fortnite skills soar to new heights. Good luck out there!